In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a contract with Pandadoc. Let's walk through the process from the moment you receive the invitation email all the way to confirming that your document is fully signed and sent back to the sender. First, open the email invitation you received from Pandadoc. In that message, you'll see a button that says, Open Document. Go ahead and click that. This button securely takes you to the contract that's been prepared for you. You don't need to log in or create an account just to sign, unless the sender has specifically required it. So for most people, this part is very straightforward. Once the document opens in your browser, you'll be looking at the Pandadoc interface with the contract in the center of the screen. To begin the signing process, look toward the top right corner for a button labeled Start. Click Start, and Pandadoc will automatically scroll you to the first field that needs your attention. This saves you from having to hunt through the pages to find where to sign or initial. When you reach the signature area, you'll see a signature field, often highlighted or outlined in red to indicate that it's required. Click directly inside that signature field. As soon as you do, a pop-up window will appear, giving you a few different options for how you'd like to sign. Here you can choose to type, draw, or upload your signature. If you choose to type, Pandadoc will generate a styled version of your name that looks like a signature. This is quick and works well for most users. If you select Draw, you can use your mouse or trackpad to hand draw your signature for a more personal touch. And if you already have a scanned or saved image of your signature, you can choose Upload and select that file from your device. Take a moment to pick the option that feels most comfortable and professional for you. After you've set up your signature, click the Accept and Sign button in the pop-up window. Pandadoc will place that signature into the field you selected. If there are additional required fields, like initials, dates, or checkboxes, the system may guide you through each of those in order. When you're done with all required fields, look again toward the top, or sometimes the bottom, of the page for the Finish button. Click Finish to complete the process. This final step locks in your signature and automatically notifies the sender that the document has been signed. At this point, your part is done, and you can usually download or save a copy of the signed contract for your records if you'd like.